Back after a brief respite tonight and tomorrow, and then we here will have a chance at a substantial snowfall. City glistening right now. Milder night tonight. Steady temps staying above the freezing mark. That's some good news. Tomorrow we take a little dip into the 40s for a while, maybe mid to upper 40s in parts of the area. Then another bitter blast will arrive with some gusty winds. Friday night, probably looking at wind chills at 10 below zero or colder in parts of the area. Saturday will be dry. That's going to set the stage for our storm on Sunday. Right now, still locked in to what looks like a plowable snow. That means 6 inches or more. Could be higher than that, certainly. Again, there's still some wiggle room for things to change. The storm could get suppressed a little further south. It could come up a little further north and we get more mixing involved. It's 3.5 days away, so the numbers we're throwing out in a broad sense right now are not etched in stone by far. 34 in the city, 27 in Newburgh, and 37 in Toms River. You can tell where the warmth is coming from, up from the south. Wind chills still generally in the mid-20s. Feels like 26 in town right now. Still feels like 11, though, in Monticello. So you're going, Chris, what are you talking about, milder air? We've got a few flurries. Maybe a brief snow shower in spots. Sliding even towards the city could be a flurry or two in the air for a time. That's the push of warmer air. Behind it, quiet tomorrow will be in the 40s, and then there's that next Arctic front sitting up towards the north. So steady temps tonight. Warm front goes north. Ahead of the cold front, milder touch tomorrow into the 40s. Behind the cold front, the winds pick up again and the temperatures plummet later on Friday, especially into Friday night, and we're back into the freezer by Saturday morning. Here's the storm we're watching. It's got a lot of moisture to work with as it heads through the Gulf in the southeastern states. Probably a pretty big ice storm in the deep south. You're going to hear about that in the headlines for sure. But we're talking about mainly snow for us. Again, we could see anywhere from 6 inches or more. There could be some double digits. It's been a while, about 6 years since we've seen that around here, double-digit snowfall. But this area shaded in pink is the area, and it does include the city, that we're going to watch for the most substantial snowfall. So we're talking heavy and highly impactful storm Sunday. If you have any travel plans, you may want to start thinking about the alternatives, and that's Sunday night into Monday. 43 tomorrow. We flip it to 34 on Friday. We drop it in half, 17 on Saturday. And here's your snow on Sunday, and then it's just dry and cold again into the middle of next week, guys.